Sometimes I spit niggas brains. Niggas got hit with a Drake, flew in the sky and came back down in his grave. That nigga run up on me, cause he got burnt. Hit his dumb ass for the flame. He said he bit bro, but he don't fit the picture. I knocked the last out the frame. I'm a brutal nigga when I go and slide with the gang. They don't ever come out the same. I love chasing him down, as soon as he fall off his feet, ain't never gonna get up again. Shot at the mask in the mouth, took off the jaw and up with a red chin. If I go on slide and hop and I only kill one, I'ma go spin it again. If I shoot at the ops, 9 minutes to miss, it gon' still take off from the skin. I can pull up my phone to the ops, pull up right now, and I bet you I gotta survive. Like, what is the point? Really fuck with me? You beef the game, your ass gon' die. I can't like a miss, I'm dumping the pistol. Shit, I was blowing that bitch at the car. Niggas be dumping them bitches for no damn reason. They missing, they blowing that bitch at the wall. Niggas be ducking, but I never run from it, cause I'ma send this gun back to the sky. Like, shorty was dreaming of going to heaven, so fuck shorty ass gon' fly. One of my ops on live when he say he gon' rob me, I did shorty ass come try. You think that he tough, he got empties in the bitch, boy, I don't get no fuck what you want. Come to my hood, I wish you would, bitch, I hop out with Drakes and bombs. I got some shit that I barely miss. Raise your ass and take off on my niggas, monsters, greyhounds, check out the animal form, bitch. Niggas showing up on me, we shooting his face, so you can't recognize no more. We like the police, we ain't at your door. Kick me a door if you don't hear saying and lay your mom on the floor, bitch. Don't do shit, got the gun at your head, so you best get out of that car. And don't try to run, cause this bitch got a switch, so your ass ain't gon' get far.